Hello everyone, hope you all are having a great time. Let's continue to learn the numbers in French. Let's begin. 21 is vingt-et-un, vingt-et-un. 22 is vingt-deux, vingt-deux. 23 is vingt-trois, vingt-trois. 24 is vingt-quatre, vingt-quatre. 25 would be vingt-cinq, vingt-cinq. 26 is vingt-six, vingt-six. 27 would be vingt-sept, vingt-sept. 28 is vingt-huit, vingt-huit. 29 would be vingt-neuf, vingt-neuf. 30 would be trente, trente. Let's revise the numbers from 21 to 30. Vingt-et-un, vingt-deux, vingt-trois, vingt-quatre, vingt-cinq, vingt-six, vingt-sept, vingt-huit, vingt-neuf, lastly trente. Trente-et-un is 31. Trente-et-un. 32 is trente-deux, trente-deux. 33 is trente-trois, trente-trois. 34 would be trente-quatre, trente-quatre. 35 would be trente-cinq, trente-cinq. 36 would be trente-six, trente-six. 37 is trente-sept, trente-sept. 38 is trente-huit, trente-huit. 39 is trente-neuf, trente-neuf. Lastly, 40th is quarante, quarante, quarante. Let's learn 31 to 40. Trente-et-un, trente-deux, trente-trois, trente-quatre, trente-cinq, trente-six, trente-sept, trente-huit, trente-neuf and quarante. That's it guys for today. See you all in the next lecture. Thank you.